Great conference here. I think it's very important, especially for the audience we spoke to today. A lot of folks in their maintenance department that may not know what a construction manager does from start to finish. So it was very enlightening, I believe, for the group today to come to us and let us talk to them about, hey, how's the bidding process work, what type of contracts we use.
Me and my colleague, assistant director, came with me up here from Denison ISD. So I really am glad that Region 10 has taken this on and close to home. So I think it's going to be very beneficial to us.
A little meet and greet and education program like this is great so that the membership gets to learn more about what they need to do to stay in compliance.
Very educational. I learned a lot.
Oh, we are so excited to have had so many districts from the region sending their maintenance and operations departments. My area is actually human resources, and so we spent some time collaborating and interacting in the area of human resources, so we're looking forward to next year.
Well, it's a good sharing of information. I think everybody that's attending the conference has the same challenges that we deal with at our campuses, and it's an opportunity to kind of learn from the industry professionals that deal with folks like us every day, and for us to share stories on how to best solve our issues.
Everyone coming out of the session said they learned something. They had an opportunity to network with other districts, and they can't wait to come to the one that we have next year.